Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Amazon Prime membership from the app on your phone. Whether your phone is Android or iPhone, it doesn't matter. You'll go through the same steps. Now, as you can see here, I'm on my Amazon homepage on the phone, and I am subscribed to Amazon Prime. Now, what you want to do is to tap on the three horizontal lines here on the bottom right that says menu, and then you will find the first option says Prime. Just click on it or tap it, and you should see Prime here. Tap it, and you'll be redirected to a page where you will see some information about your Prime subscription, benefits, and other things that you enjoyed, the discounts that you had, and so on. Now here you'll find the word Prime at the top left. There's an arrow next to it. Tap on the arrow and then tap on Manage My Membership, and then here you'll find a page that has some membership information as well as an option to upgrade your membership. Now here you'll see under your name, you should see Manage Membership option. Tap on it, and you should see here the third option is Manage Membership. So you can update it, cancel it, and more. Tap on this option. So here you can set a reminder on any day here 3 days before the renewal date to be able to remember. Or here, what you are interested in is the button to end your membership. So here you can tap on it to end your membership. Okay, they ask you, are you sure? And you'll get through some steps here. Okay, so you can keep your benefits, you can end your membership, or you can be reminded later. So simply tap on end membership and your Amazon Prime membership will be canceled.